locomotives have always pushed the boundaries of innovation, striving to make the impossible possible. In 1862, President Abraham Lincoln signed the Pacific Railway Act, connecting people and goods in ways that were previously unimaginable. Union Pacific is proud to unveil locomotive number 1616, honoring our founder and the pivotal role rail plays driving our nation's growth and prosperity. From the groundbreaking construction of the Transcontinental Railroad to today's cutting-edge technologies like autonomous unloading systems and hybrid battery electric locomotives, Union Pacific's storied past and legacy of progress continues. More than 135,000 people are employed by U.S. freight railroads, including more than 30,000 Union Pacific team members. Railroads deliver 59 tons of goods annually for every American, from lumber and drywall to build homes, to corn and wheat to make bread and cereal. At Union Pacific, we operate on 32,000 miles of track across 23 states, and we invest about $10 million every day in infrastructure, technology, and network expansions to ensure we safely deliver our customers the service we promised. The red and black colors of number 1616 evoke Lincoln's era, while its design honors the legendary locomotive number 119, one of two engines present at the deriving of the Golden Spike. The Lincoln Locomotive will journey across our network, a symbol of Union Pacific's impact on commerce, job creation, and economic growth. We are proud to carry Lincoln's vision forward, uniting our nation and continuing our tradition of innovation in the pursuit of what's possible.